Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you a very simplistic graphical user interface which you can use to talk with models locally. When I say locally, it doesn't mean that models should primarily be running locally, but it means that they could be API based and you would just run this tool locally in order to access them. Now, this tool is not a very hi-fi, groundbreaking invention. It is just a very simple, unified chat interface that enables you to talk with your language models locally in terms of API based. So the features are quite interesting. You can easily switch between different AI models. So it provides you a tab-based interface, which we will see shortly. You can have different selections of models. It gives you a good drop down menu. One of the good things is that it does token authentication where you can have secure API key management for each service. It also have multimodal support, so you can not only have text models but also you can have vision capabilities for compatible models. At the moment, it supports Gemini models from Google, OpenAI's ChatGPT models, Anthropic's Claude models, and also open source Meta Llama models from Sambanova. Also, you can access Grok models, Quen 2.5 from Alibaba. For that, you would need Hyperbolic's API key, and then you can also go with Perplexity. In Perplexity, there are few different models like Sonar Online and then few others which I haven't tested, so I'm not going to go into them. But let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. By the way, it has been built on Gradio block interface and it also supports dynamic model switching. So let's get started. Before I take you further, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures output according to the shape of your query. This is my terminal where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I am just going to create a virtual environment with Conda. Let's wait for it to get created. Now let's git clone the repo of this AnyChat and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo with simple pip command. Let's wait for it to install all the dependencies and all the requirements are done. Now in order to run it, all you need to do is to run this from the root of the repo. And it has started the Gradio demo on our local system. So let's check it out. It's a default 7860 port and there you go. Very simple, very straightforward, where you have this tab approach, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, Metalama, Grok, Quen, and Perplexity. So you see, for example, if you go to ChatGPT, this is a GPT-4o model and you can select all their models from here. And then this is where you need to put in your key and you can also press in remember me on this one. So let me just simply put it in my key and thankfully it is not showing us. So I'm just going to press enter here. And as soon as you press enter, the chat box will appear and you can just start chatting with it like, what is happiness? And there you go. So it will just start giving you the answer. It's a very simple chatbot where you can chat with it. For example, you can go with other models if you like, and you can scroll through the list. Similarly, this is Anthropic ones, which is quite expensive, even more expensive than OpenAI, so I normally don't use it. And then we have this Meta's Llama where you can just go to Samba Nova Cloud, which is not that, still paid option, but not that crazily expensive at the moment. And their speed is quite good, and I already have covered it in my other video. If you're interested around Samba Nova, you can check this out. Alibaba's Quen 2.5 is a very fine, very performant model, and we have installed it locally too. If you're interested, just go to my channel and search it here. And then you can even go with Perplexity's own model. They have, I believe, 3 models which you can check out in different versions, and there are other hosted models too. And you can get it from this beta access form. You might have to join the waitlist, but I haven't really tried that one out. But anyway, you can see that it's a very simple tool, nothing really, I would say, very complicated about it. So that's it. If you're looking for a nice little quick patch together tool to play around with different models in one place, maybe give it this AnyChat a try. I don't have anything further to add. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.